Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be sharing with you a whole house cleaning, that is the kitchen, the living room and our master bedroom. I will start with the kitchen, and although I don't have many dishes to do, the space looks extremely messy. The second space that I will be tackling is the living room, and guys, I find it easier these days to organize our living room. I really do not know why, but I feel like the previous seats that we used to have were a bit bulky for the space. Or could it be because we still do not have a coffee table or a carpet? I don't know, but these days I find it quite easy to organize. The next space that I will be cleaning and organizing is our master bedroom, and it is safe to say that that space looks neglected. I'm not sure if it's because today was a cleaning day that I decided to just neglect the space and then tackle it later, but I'm sure within a few minutes it will come back to life. So guys, I hope you get to enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed creating it, and join me as I turn messy into spectacular, and I hope to engage with all of you in the comment section.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight.
Now that I am done with the dishes, I want to just wipe the countertops and the cooker really quick, and the product that I'm using is Astonish Antibacterial Surface Cleanser. I think I've been using this product for the longest time, and I love the fact that it disinfects and it's also odorless. I prefer using it around the kitchen so much.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
So guys, for the cooker top, I will be using Astonish Clear Waters Stainless Steel and Shine. I don't usually scrub the cooker top, I just apply the product and then use a microfiber towel to wipe it down. To produce a shine and prevent fingerprints, I normally use baby oil, and I think that is what has helped in maintaining the condition of this cooker, because it's always good as new after it is cleaned.
Make it, set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
So guys, the final space to tackle is our bedroom, and it is this messy, but I'm glad that it isn't dusty. So what I will be doing actually is to just change the bedding, then tidy around the space. I was supposed to put the bedding in the washer, but unfortunately I'm not going to do that because it is about to rain. And guys, this weather has not been good of late, and I'm really hoping for the day that it will stop raining as much as it has been doing of late. Having vacuumed the carpet and the floor, I now want to start on mopping the floors, and I will be starting from the bedroom, then head to the living room, and then later on to the kitchen area. So guys, we've come to the end of the video, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider doing so. And if you enjoyed the video, please do not hesitate to leave a like and also a comment. I will highly appreciate it. I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, have a great weekend.